Hi guys, good evening. I'm here to show you how you are going to create your new directory on Emacs. So without wasting time, let's get into it. So as you can see, I'm already here, so you just go straight forward to open your web terminal. So opening your web terminal, definitely this comes out. So you are creating a new directory, so it's cd as usual, then /root as usual, then you enter. Then what do you do next? They said you should create, so you do pwd, then you enter, then you do mk direct mkdi, okay, then you enter. You see what came out? That you have missing missing, okay, so you do it again, mkdir, sorry, after this you put in the name they gave you, which was OX02, okay, underscore, what do we have? Emacs, and enter. Okay, so let's check it by ls to check it, and so realize it's there. So then what do we do next? Go here, close this, and use the checkout to check your code. Let's start. So you see everything is checked correct. So guys, that is how you go about with it. Just use the same commands that we used to do yesterday's assignment, and you'll be okay with it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe anyway.